Welcome to our video about decoding the Trent University Academic Timetable. The Trent University Academic Timetable is where you can find a list of all course offerings for each academic year and summer term. This video will provide you with information on how to access and understand the academic timetable, which will be useful when choosing and registering for your courses. Please note that steps for registering in courses can be found in an additional video. To get to the timetable, you will begin on the Trent University homepage. First, select the menu at the top right corner. Then choose Academics and click on Academic Timetable. Then select Undergraduate Timetable in the center of the page, and then click on Explore the Undergraduate Timetable. The academic timetable is also available in your My Trent portal and can be found under the Register tab and then the Courses subsection. The priority registration dates are listed at the top of the page, and this is where you can determine the date and time that you can begin registering for your courses. Next, you are asked to select both the term and the location. While you are eligible to take courses at either the Peterborough or Durham campus, it is important to make sure that you are choosing courses offered at your desired campus. I will choose the Peterborough campus. After selecting the appropriate timetable parameters, you can navigate through the courses by discipline. Choose the disciplines you are interested in, as well as the course or year level. The course and course section columns indicate the discipline of the course and the course code. The 4-letter code indicates the general discipline of the course. The 4-digit number following this indicates the specific course code. You will see that there are letters directly following the 4-digit course code. Each letter indicates something different. H indicates that it is a half-credit course running for either the fall or winter term. Y indicates that it is a full credit course running through both the fall and winter terms. After this, an A indicates that it is Section A of the course, while B indicates that it is Section B of the course. W indicates that it is a web course and will take place online. Typically, there are multiple sections offered for larger courses. Please note that the days, times, and possibly instructors of sections A and B will be different. Following this, you will then see letters indicating the term in which the course takes place. Courses taking place in the fall will be designated by F, and courses taking place in the winter will be indicated by W. Courses that take place throughout the entire academic year are indicated by a Y here. The term column also designates this information, with FA meaning fall, WI meaning winter, and FW meaning both fall and winter. The status column is next. If the status is listed as open, then there is room in the course and you can register in it when registration opens. If the status is listed as closed, then there is no room in that section of the course, or you are viewing the timetable before registration for the 2021-22 academic year has opened. Please refer to the Important Dates section of the academic calendar to check to see when course registration closes. The next section is the Synonym Column. Here you will find a 6-digit number that you will need to use when registering for your chosen courses in Express registration. The description column of the timetable simply indicates the name of each course. Under the cross-listed section column, you will be able to see whether your chosen courses are cross-listed across multiple departments. Cross-listed courses may not be double-counted between joint major requirements. For example, ANTH 1030H is cross-listed with Ancient Greek and Roman Studies. It may be counted for credit as an anthropology course or as an Ancient Greek and Roman Studies course, but not as both. The campus, building, and room columns indicate the location and room number the course will take place in. It is important that you ensure the campus listed is the one you plan to attend. There is also a variety of web courses offered, indicated by web-based course, in the campus column. The building and room columns will be filled in closer to when classes begin. The instructions column is an important one to reference, as special notes about the delivery method of the course can be found here. For example, Social Work 1001H is running remotely with an asynchronous lecture, which means you can listen to the lecture whenever you'd like, and a synchronous seminar, where you need to be logged into Blackboard during your seminar date and time. The type column indicates which type of class each course will have. LEC indicates that it is a lecture, LAB indicates that it is a lab, and SEM indicates that it is a seminar. The day column indicates the day on which the courses take place. The start column indicates the time that the course begins, and the end column indicates the time that the course ends. Finally, the faculty column will include the course instructor's name. It is also important to note that some courses have restricted sections that are reserved for specific programs. For example, this forensic science course has 2 sections reserved only for students in the Law and Arts program. It is therefore important to review any notes listed alongside courses in the academic timetable to ensure you are selecting a course section that is open to you. This concludes our video about navigating the Trent University academic timetable. For more information on the course registration process, make sure you visit the Academic Advising website, where you can find the 4 steps to register in your courses and additional video tutorials walking you through this process.